Jackie! And I am coming to you today with a hair tutorial. That's right, I do my own hair too. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I got this, not the color. I'm not going to show you how I got the color, kind of explained that before, but how I got this hair style using this thing. So if you're interested to see how I did it, stay tuned. So my hair is pretty dry already because after I got out of the shower, I did my makeup because I knew I wanted to do this hair tutorial instead of a makeup tutorial. So I did my makeup first because, let's face it, this girl's not so pretty without it. So first I'm going to take this Sleek It Iron Straight Heat Spray by L'Oreal Paris, and this stuff is really good. I mean, it makes your hair so soft. It feels almost like a leave-in conditioner, but obviously it's a heat spray. Back of my hair is probably the wettest. So we're just gonna take this, we're gonna spray it. Okay, we just spray that in before we go in and blow dry, and I'm going to blow dry it, and the blow dryer is gonna be loud, but you're not gonna hear it because I'm gonna make sure when I edit I mute out the sound, so you'll be listening to some lovely theme music that's on my iMovie program. Okay, so I have had this thing forever. I don't even know who. Okay, it's Conair Iron Shine. I have literally had this thing, I think I've had this thing for like 10 years or something. I could use a new one. It is beat up and dirty and sometimes smells like it's gonna catch on fire, but it still works. So I'm gonna put it on hot and I'm gonna dry the rest of my hair. Crazy ass hair. So I forgot to, hold on, I gotta comb. Okay, so first I'm going to probably switch these two around. All right, you know what? I'm really sick of knocking this stuff over. Okay, so first I'm gonna straighten with my lovely Remington straightener. I've also had this thing for like 10 years. I set it on, I don't know, 310 because it's the lowest setting and I have fine hair. However, I've had this thing forever, so I don't think like the temperature thing is accurate right now because it feels like it's hotter than 310, but hey, gotta do what you gotta do. Still works. If it ain't broke, don't replace it. Okay, that's not necessarily true, because straighten my hair. Doesn't take much to straighten my hair. I am one of the very few in the world with like a weird wavy texture, but it's so easy to straighten. Like literally, it's like just pretty much straight. Would be even straighter if my hair was wetter when I started blow drying it. So I am almost always doing the back of my head blindly because I don't have one of those fancy like 3 mirrors you can turn and actually see what the hell you're doing. I have this little mirror from high school that's scratched all the hell that I just hold up and go, okay. So I pretty much am just winging the back of my hair 99% of the time. I just check it when I'm done and go, yeah, looks good. Or if I see a spot needs to be fixed, I fix it. Now that we have straightened, let's switch this back. So we're gonna do a cute little crimping look, except we are not going to crimp my whole head. I did that when I first got this little doohickey this past weekend, and looks a little crazy, but we can use it to crimp some of it. So I'm going to just take a chunk, I'm gonna twist it up and clip it. I should have brought in that mirror so I could see, but as well. Okay, so I'm gonna turn around. Oh crud. Okay. Am I in frame? All right, now I gotta take this. Oh, this is gonna be fun. All right, take this little crimper. See, inside. Grab a small piece of hair. Take the crimper, clamp it, let it sit for a minute. Move it down. Hope you're getting it right. Let it sit for a minute. I should really grab my mirror. There's a hole. Why is everything happening? Hell. Hey Jackie, uncrimp your hair before you light it on fire. Okay, I'm gonna grab my mirror. All right, so that's one. Ah! I'm trying to burn down the house. I'm gonna grab my mirror so I can also look and see what the hell I'm doing. So I'll be right back. You like my mirror? Legit scratched out like hell. Okay, let's see now. There we go. See that? How it's a little okay. So that worked out well. I'm gonna do another little section. Why am I turned this way? All right. This is my very first hair tutorial, so it's obviously a little challenging, especially in my little corner. So, yeah. What this is really gonna do, man, I did not think it was gonna be such a pain. So what this is gonna do is just gonna add a little texture to your hair and a little uniqueness. I'm trying not to drop hot tools anywhere. Burn my house down. I don't think my husband would like it if I burn the house down. All right, grab another section. Like my little. Okay, then we're gonna grab this. Yeah. Clamp. Here. Yeah. Look at that. Isn't that fun? Oh, it's so fun. Take a little piece right here. Can you see it? I hope you can see it. I can't tell if you can see it because I can't see you. There you go. Got a little piece over here. So you just keep taking sections down, cramping, oh Lord, clamping a couple of hairs at a time, just in some random spots, just to give your hair a little bit of dimension and differentness. I don't think that's a word. I don't think that is a word. So I'm gonna have to straighten some of these hairs again after clipping them up. They tend to get a little messed up. Okay, now we're gonna move to the sides. Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. All right, so we're gonna clip up this side. And we're going to clip up this side. Hey. Okay. I'm so weird. All right, so we have one right here, so we don't want to do another one over there, so we'll do this. So it's not like this is difficult, it's just more time consuming than anything. As we all know. Everything takes some time. Look at that. It's freaking cute. All right. Switch over. Let's leave a little bit on this side like that and grab this. Oh, look at that. Strategically. Looks really cool with the blue hair too. I like it. I think it's cute. I need a drink of my water though because I am thirsty. I feel really dehydrated. I don't know why. I don't know if I really need to crimp anymore. Like, hold on. Let's see. Oh, I really like it. All right. Let's do one like right here. Hey! Some real tiny pieces now because we don't want to get carried away. I feel like I need one like... No, I don't. Maybe I do. Let's see. Like super, like tiny. Hold on. I feel like one. I need one in my bangs. I feel like I need it. Yes. Yes. All right, I need to look at the back. Now, oh. from what I gather, I think the back is okay. So now what do we do, Jackie? Well, I'll tell you. Now we take the straightener and we find pieces that are straight, that we want straighter. I do this. You don't have to do this. But I have this weird thing where I'm like, that's not straight enough. Like this. No, no. No, no. No, no hair. That's a no-no. So I will clip this for a second. Like that. No, no. No, no. There. Much better. So guys, what do you think? Do you like it? I think it's so cool. I'm digging it. I feel like this, like, there's too much right here. I find right in the middle, like this. Let's do this. That's driving me nuts. That's better. Oh no, but we're not done yet. What was I thinking? We gotta get out the... I'll be right back again. I gotta get out the Garnier Fructis style Pixie Play crafting cream, because I used to have a Pixie. I don't now. I'm growing it out as we speak. But we're gonna take a little bit, a little tiny bit, rub it in our fingers. We're gonna use that. Just kind of run it through. Yay. Okay, so this is the finished look. What do you guys think? Yes, yes. There's a lot of people who just don't really enjoy crimped hair, but I think as long as you don't overdo the crimping, it can actually look really cute. So there is that. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Click subscribe if you haven't already. You're over here. If you haven't already, hit the notification bell to become part of the Notification Nation. And I hope you enjoyed this video and you have a wonderful day. See you next time.